In some parts of the globe it's summer and in some it's raining. Whatever be the season, I have all reasons to share this wonderful recipe with you all. Hey lovely people, today I'm going to show you how to make fajita sandwich. Fajita sandwich, sounds very long. I'd like to call this Fajitawich. Yes, that sounds wonderful. It's absolutely healthy and super delicious. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Let's start with making a special spread for this. Here I have about 150 grams of homemade whipped Lebanese. You can find the recipe of Lebanese in the card above your screen right now or in the description below. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of black garlic sauce. If you do not have black garlic sauce, you may skip this step and proceed with the rest of the ingredients. Mix them up all well and we are ready with the spread. Here I have a gluten-free Moroccan brown bread. You may use any large or medium bun which is easily available with you. Carefully cut open the bread. I'm adding in sufficient quantity of the prepared spread and spreading it evenly, covering the whole base. I'm adding in the prepared fajita. You can find the recipe of chicken fajita in the card above your screen or in the description below. Cover the chicken fajita filling with slices of mozzarella cheese. Top it up with some sliced green and black olives. Sprinkle some oregano. And cover the Moroccan bread. Preheat a griller or a pan. Grease the griller plate or the pan. Place the Fajitawich on it. Grease the top of the Fajitawich. And allow it to grill until the crust becomes crispy and the cheese has all melted completely. The Fajitawich is all ready to be tried. Let me slice it up. Look at that! The cheese has melted and the sandwich is crispy as well as juicy. Enjoy this simple, healthy and super delicious sandwich. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Also let me know which of the recipes you'd like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy.